Hello friends, today we are going to take a look at the not, this not pseudo class in CSS and another last child, the last child pseudo class also. So let's create a scenario for this. So here I have created another list here, and I have given it a color. I've colored it and just basic styling. So I'll imagine if you want to like you are stacking in order, like so many elements here, and you want to put space between them. So you just can go to every of the element and apply a class or apply the style. So I'll show you a shortcut for that, how to do it. So let's see that I want to make space between this list that are stacked vertically. So I want a space after this, after this, after this, after contact, not after help. So what I'll do is, first I'll make that selection, then I'll use the not class, not pseudo class, and inside that I'll use the last child, and then I'll apply the margin. So I'll apply the space between this and except this last one. So I'll give margin bottom equals to 10 pixels. So you can see we have successfully done that. Like we don't have margin here. So if I can show you with the developer tools, so let's locate our last child here, the ULI. You see this all have margin below them, but this one, in this case, it doesn't have margin. So let's try it. See the margin? Yes. You see slightly color changing here. You see this space, color is changing. See, so that is the margin. Or let me quickly change this body background color to white, so we can see it better. So let's see. So the first item, you see we have a margin. Second item we have a margin, but the last item you see we don't have a margin. So this is how we do the quick selection of, like we want spacing between elements. So this is, so what we basically did here is we selected the list here, the same class, and then what we did, we used the not pseudo class, like in any other programming language that use that exclamation mark as not, but here we use this not, and inside that we use the last child pseudo class. So what we are basically is telling that among this class, that elements using this ULI class, if it is not the last child, then go ahead and apply this margin, the bottom margin to it. So that is how we apply. And let me show only the last child how it works. So let's see. So this is the last child function, bottom margin. So let's check it out. So we see we have applied the margin to the bottom one. So there, since that is the last child in this, using this class, this element. So and again we have the nth child. The nth child and but this accepts an argument which child you want to color. So we'll choose this gallery. So it is 1 2 3 in the third position. So we see, so this nth child is selecting specific numbers, like you have to specify which one you want to apply the target. So this is how we use these selectors. I hope you guys found out something new, you learned something new. If you did, you share it. Thank you.